This video explains how to buy shares of Nick Scali Ltd, an Australian furniture retailer known for sofas and home furnishings. Nick Scali trades on CBOE-AUS under the ticker NCK.ASX. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a photo ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NCK.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Nick Scali Ltd on the CBOE-AUS exchange. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the exchange is CBOE-AUS and the ticker reads NCK.ASX. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same tutorial, the eToro link is in the video description.